Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video. But I find it very interesting, answering a question that you have left me. In a gasoline engine, the throttle body valve, acceleration, should it be totally closed or slightly open when we disassemble it to wash it? If you disassemble it to wash it, the engine is off, and if the engine is off, this valve, the one you see moving, must always be closed, whether it is an electronic valve, or as in this case, a mechanical valve. If this valve stays slightly open, it is because it is not closing properly. And this can happen due to two problems, because it has a lot of dirt that prevents it from closing, or because there is a problem in the part, in the mechanism. The problem here is that if it doesn't close properly, you're going to have problems, both when you turn off the engine, because you're going to notice more vibrations, and when you're idling, because if you don't close completely, as you know, engines have an idle valve separately, so when this is slightly open, air will continue to enter, with which the idle will be unstable, vibrations will occur in the engine, and this can also cause more black smoke to be produced from the exhaust. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.